guys, welcome back to Christy Lani Vlogs. I know I'm like bam right in your face, yeah, like right there. But anyway, sorry about that. Okay, so today I'll be starting up a series of my foundation try-ons. I'll do one a week. I always say that, but hopefully I can get it done once.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
foundation because it does help, because I usually do like the foundation behind the hand thing, so now it's, you can just use it like this without getting your hands dirty and stuff. So this is a great thing about this, the way they created the bottle for the foundation. So on one side I'll be using the sponge. It's a wet sponge, so that's gonna be the side that I use the balm. On the other side I'll be using a Sigma F80 flat top kabuki brush to apply the foundation, and it seems like it's applying it thicker. So for myself, I have bigger pores, so using the balm and the wet sponge on one side, it just made my pores emphasize, like I could see it bigger. So I think I rather have the mattifying poreless primer and the kabuki brush to apply the foundation works best for me. So there I just decided to use the brush all over the face instead. So right there, I'm just talking about the balm. I think it's like it moves around the balm. Maybe I should have set the balm because it's more like, what is that, silky? What is that word? I don't know how to say it. Like, it's just more movable. Maybe I should have let it set, or either I should have put powder on there. But it really didn't work with this foundation, or maybe with my skin, it doesn't work well with it. And now I'm just using the Huda Beauty Banana Bread to set the whole foundation, the whole face with that. And then after this, I'll be right back with my full face so we can just talk about the foundation.
Alrighty guys, so this is the end look. So let's just take a look of what I used. It's called Shape Tape and Prime Balm. Sorry, it's really tiny. How are you supposed to, like, really? Why is it so tiny? Why? Okay, but anyway, this is the Pore and Prime Balm. But it doesn't really agree with my face. Like, I just see a different kind of thing going on here, like not as nice as this side. So definitely maybe not use this for your primer. And then I do love this Poreless Primer from Tarte. So I'm just trying to use up all my products, guys, so bear with me. I won't be doing any new makeup things until I utilize some of these first. And if you guys see me like doing a new makeup thingy, you guys scold me, okay? But I did buy one palette the other day, last week. So that's the last one. But anyway, this is what I'm using on this side, and I really like how it's making my foundation and my skin. It just seems like my pores are more emphasized on this side. So this is a good one. And then what I did use for my eyes, I did use a Too Faced Sugar Plum palette. This is a pretty one. So I just used this two colors here. And then for my cheeks, like I did a little contour bronze kind of thing with the Marc Jacobs. And I used this part for that. This is 04 Mirage filter. So I did use some of this under my eye as well, and then on my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead and chin. And I also did use the Huda Beauty Banana Bread powder, which I don't know where it went. Right here. So I did use some of this one to set my foundation, and it is Banana Bread from Huda. And then for my lips, I used two different ones. I used this Kylie, I don't know what the color is, but this is the older version. I want to just put, like, I want to make it a little bit darker. And it goes great with my eyeshadow. I did the lashes as I did yesterday. I'm really liking these lashes, this style. It's the Milk Tea from Live, Laugh and Love lashes. So these are really nice. And I do have this eyeliner from Eye Method Beauty that I use on my eyes. I'll do a separate video for this because they sent me another one of their products to try. And I'm really loving the guides and the easy stamping. It makes things so much easier to do. And I think that's about it that I used. And I just used some Morphe brush, Sigma. And I did not put lip liner today because my lips are crooked anyway. I'm just kidding. But anyways, yeah. And this here, hold on, this here, I think it's an okay color for me because it just kind of matches. It's warm and it just matches, you know. So I did good finding the color shade. And this here can be easily cleaned. And you know, when I'm using other foundations, I might use this thing here too to just put it on. That's a good idea, guys. But yeah. Alrighty, guys, so I'll be checking in with you guys. It is It is 11:37. Hey guys, so this is kind of the natural lighting look of it. Oh, the light is just looking at me, but it's not really sunny. It's just kind of like a little bit overcast. But so far, it's just been like half an hour. But so far, it's kind of looking nice. You see? We'll see. I'll check in later with you guys. Alright guys, so right now I'm kind of in a sweat mood and mode. So it's kind of sweating, but we're gonna check back to see if it moved anywhere. It's different from sweat and oils, two different things. But yeah, so when you're in the mature stage of your skin, you will have some sweat sometimes, you know, ladies. So with that being said, you guys understand where I'm coming from, right? So it's different with mature skin, the foundation, how it's gonna react, you know. So I just walked, guys. I see a lot of shine on my face. That's just because it's hot and sweating here in Hawaii. Yeah, the mask just kind of like move things around, like my lipstick. For some reason, this side feels like it's, I don't know, not as shiny, kind of like, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but we'll check it out later. Hey guys, so right now it is about, so this is the time, it's about 7:30. So I think it's about time that I take off my makeup. So 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30. I had it on for 8 hours. And at the beginning, I went out to do some errands, and then I came back home, and I was home most of the day. So right now I did take off my eyelashes. It's because, you know, I was just at home laying around falling asleep and stuff. So right now it's really hot in here, but you know, the side that I used the balm is just like, it looks like it doesn't look nice, the foundation. It just looks like I can see all my pores. As to the mattifying side, it looks way better. So keep in mind, don't use the balm on here. Well, I guess maybe the balm is good for people with drier skin, I'm guessing, but right now I'm just it's kind of hot in here, so that's why I'm kind of like shiny right now, but sweating. This one kind of looks like the foundation was kind of filling my pores, if that makes sense. But this side, it looks really nice still. I didn't really go full coverage on this one. I just did like a medium kind of foundation. But it came out really nice. I just feel like really hot right now, so I'm gonna have to take off my foundation. But you know, it did really nicely. Except for this side with the balm. It's just, I can't stand that balm. It's not good for my skin, I guess. But I guess it does matter what kind of primer you use underneath, you know. But overall, it did really nicely. My skin, it's still oily, but not as oily as before. If you guys seen my videos before, like, it would really be looking like it's really washed out. But just like right here, it's kind of gone. And here, because I had my mask on for a bit. But you guys can see for you guys self, like, how it looks. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. One day I'll try again, do a fuller, like a full coverage with that foundation. Maybe do a bit fuller. But I think I did okay with the color. It's just a little bit
maybe it can be a little bit lighter for me, but it doesn't look that bad at all. Alrighty guys, so that's it for tonight. You guys take care, God bless, and I will see you all in my next video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Bye.